Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to get dark mode on all websites in Google Chrome. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see three vertical dots, which is your menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, hover your mouse over the option that says Extensions. This will expand another submenu showing you extension-related features. From this submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This action will take you directly to the Chrome Web Store, where you can browse and install various extensions that add functionality to your browser. Once the Chrome Web Store page loads, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the screen. Click on this search bar and type in Dark Reader. This is the extension we'll be using to enable dark mode across all websites. After typing it in, you'll see several results appear. Look for the official Dark Reader extension and click on it to open its dedicated page. On the Dark Reader extension page, you'll see detailed information about what it does and how it works. This extension automatically applies a dark theme to every website you visit, making it easier on your eyes, especially during nighttime browsing. To install it, click the blue button that says Add to Chrome. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to add this extension. Click Add Extension to proceed with the installation. The extension will now be added to your Chrome browser. This usually takes just a few seconds. Once installed, you'll see a small icon appear in your browser's toolbar. Now, click on the puzzle piece icon in the top right corner of your browser. This is your extensions menu. From the list that appears, locate Dark Reader and click on it to open its settings panel. In the Dark Reader panel, you'll see a toggle switch. Click the On button to activate dark mode. This instantly transforms the appearance of websites, applying a comfortable dark theme that reduces eye strain and makes text easier to read in low light conditions. To see it in action, open a new tab and visit any website. You'll immediately notice that the entire page now has a dark background with adjusted colors. Dark Reader intelligently inverts bright colors while keeping images and videos looking natural, giving you a consistent dark mode experience across the entire web. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode on all websites in Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.